Okay guys, now I would like to give example on finding the stationary points and classify the kinds of the stationary points. Okay, so given that I have this one, y equals to 9x plus 3x squared minus x cubed, find the dy over dx. Okay, let's do the I part first. So dy over dx, it's quite simple. 9 plus 2 times 3 times x to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 3x 3 minus 1. So my dy over dx, it would be 9 plus 6x minus 3x squared. Okay, so we're done with the I part. Okay, double I part. Find the values of x for which the curve have stationary points. As we have discussed earlier, as we know, the formula of finding stationary point is the gradient equals to 0. So what we do, the dy over dx equals to 0. As we already obtained the dy over dx, what we do, just put this expression quadratic expression equals to 0. So we have quadratic function here. So what we can do is to factorize it. As it equals to 0, we can divide by 3, all of this, right? Right and left function, divide by 3 in order to simplify it. I have 3 plus 2x minus x squared equals to 0. Okay, so if I factorize it, or else, okay, let me give you some alternative. If you, sir, is it negative x squared? I do not get used to it. Okay, you can times it again by negative 1, guys, if you want to. This is just an option. If you are not yet if you do not get used to work or factorize the negative x squared, you can make it into positive x squared, correct? So it's gonna be x squared minus 2x positive is gonna be minus 3. Is it still 0? Okay, then you can rearrange this one in order to get it more easier to see and to solve. You can put x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, so what, clear? Okay, so what we do, just do the factorization. This is quite simple. X gonna be minus 3 and plus 1. So we've got two x's, x equals to 3, x equals to negative 1. And these two are the stationary x, not the stationary points. In order to find the value of x, since we are about only to find the value of x, so it already satisfies the question, right? Okay, so it's gonna be done. X equals to 3, x equals to minus 1. This is the x values of stationary points. Okay, but there is another question. Classify these stationary points. So in order to classify it, we use the second derivative. Okay, the second derivative is the d square y over dx square. Remember, what we take is this one, right? This is the first derivative. What we do, just derive it one more time. Just differentiate it. Okay, if we differentiate it, it becomes 0 since 9 is constant. 6 minus 6x, is it? Okay, so this is the second derivative. And what we do, we need to insert this value inside. Okay, we test one by one. So let's do it. Okay, the first one, x equals to, okay, let me change it to black one. X equals to 3. So my second derivative is gonna be 6 minus 6x. So if we insert x equals to 3, it's gonna be 6 minus 6 times 3. Is it, guys? Okay, so it's gonna be 6 minus 18, which is negative 12. Negative 12, it's less than 0. So we can say x equals to 3 is the maximum point. So this is max, right? Okay, let's test one more with x equals to negative 1. So d square y over dx square, which is 6 minus 6x. I test the negative 1. It's going to be 6 plus 6, 12. It's greater than 0, positive 12. So x negative 1 is the minimum point. That's it. So that's how we can classify the stationary points by using the second differentiations. I think that's all. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.